tracking rain for most of your Monday, but it looks like by the time we get to Wednesday, we could be talking about the possibility for thunderstorms and also some severe weather. A weather-aware day declared for Wednesday all day. Unfortunately, kind of bad timing. And a lot of people will be out trying to get last-minute Christmas shopping done and maybe traveling. So we'll be talking about that for our forecast later on. Let's talk about what we're tracking, though, for today. The last day of fall, the winter solstice, I should say, at 10:48 tonight. It was a wet day, and now we're tracking potential storms and severe weather. There's a couple of different factors that might play into whether or not we see severe storms. We'll go over those and also talk about a warm and rainy Christmas holiday, both for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We'll break down those chances in a second. Let's talk about Storm Track Radar right now. Live scan, we see plenty of rainfall to the north and west, basically north of 20 and 59, the heaviest of the rain now in the northwest corner of our viewing area. No thunderstorms right now, just some of the more moderate and heavier rainfall. I think by the time we get to later tonight, most of us will see a pretty good chance of some rain. Again, no thunderstorms around for tonight. 61 degrees right now, southeast wind at 9, transporting in a lot of mild and humid air. Numbers in the 60s for most. Other folks in the 50s. 52 Gadsden, 56 in Pell City, 57 in Coleman, 56 in Hamilton. Everybody else in the low and middle 60s at this hour. So let's talk Storm Track Futurecast. Over the next 48 hours or so, cloudy, rainy for tonight. You see the coverage increase for this evening into the early morning hours of Tuesday. Then by Tuesday afternoon, things do start to calm down a little bit. And this lull kind of before the storms happen on Wednesday. We're expecting a better coverage Tuesday night into Wednesday, but a couple of different factors could limit that. Plenty of Gulf moisture being brought in, but if we get some storms to happen down to the south, in the southern end of the state and also the Florida Panhandle, that could limit how much moisture gets transported into central Alabama. That could cut off that moisture flow and the potential for some severe weather, which would be good news, of course. The severe storm risk, if there is any, on Wednesday will most likely be in the western part of our viewing area. The highest risk and the main threats, damaging winds, hail, and isolated tornadoes. Like we said, this could all change, so stay tuned right here and online. We'll keep you updated for the next 24 hours or so. 60 for tonight, more showers around overnight, 70 for tomorrow with scattered showers around too. Just a mild stretch of weather for us as we continue to the next 3 days. That Christmas Day forecast looking a little bit wet, and you see temperatures in the 70s for most of the week and into the weekend and even next week. But of course, WeatherWare on Wednesday. We'll have all the updates for you on air and online.